Hi gang. I'm blushing. And I kind of threw some toner on my hair and now it's like darker than I wanted it to be. Thank you for all the subscribers though. I literally feel like Jake Paul right now. I keep talking about the fucking Paul brothers on all of my videos. It's fucking stupid. This is my primer and it's supposed to be for your under eye. Do I look like I'm only gonna put it there? Let me spread it a little. Like, no, you just never done before. That's all the competition in beauty types and so that's a banger. Then I take my septum out because I don't want to get. I hate having to like clean piercings off because they have like makeup on them. It's annoying as hell. I would rather just take them out while I'm doing all that. Well, I'm not gonna take that out, but you know. The foundation I use changes once in a while. I'm gonna pop some foundation on. The thing about this foundation is that I really do not want to promote it. It is not. Do not get this one. It's not for gatekeeping purposes, so I'm so sorry. I take a little flat fucking brush. I can't stop swearing. I try to put it on like in a very thin layer because we don't want to be cakey. Do they sell baby lips anymore? I remember buying like a bunch when I was 12. I still have all of them. I was talking to my boyfriend about what videos I should make, and I was like, I want to make a Q&A, but I don't feel like I'm interesting enough yet. Like, I don't have people interested yet for me to be like, what do you want to know about me? Just giving like self-centered. I'll do that at some point in the future, like when I'm popping off, when I'm doing really good. I could do with some liquid blush. Yeah, gonna use this shit. It's Flower Nose Strawberry Cupid Collection Cake Lip Cream in the shade VO6 Tulip. I'll just put it somewhere. I kind of struggle with my blush placement because like I have a weirdly shaped face, sort of. I blend this with my fingers. I'm gonna throw some more foundation on so I can get some good coverage. Completely missed this spot here. Nice. I'm gonna go in and like get the product off of the actual hair. Baby powder in the NYX HD container. Where's my cute little puff? Gang, who ate my puff? Guess I don't have my puff, so to get this shit quickly. Pop it on, pop it on. This is the palette I use. I'm gonna use this one for my contour. And I just have a little cute brush. I just put this on my nose. I don't think I set my nose well enough. It's kind of sticking on really bad. Also on my lids. And under, slightly. This one, like a cool brown. And then the same one I just used to kind of add more definition on my nose. I've said this before. I don't know where I said it. But I don't think anyone should follow like a nose contour tutorial, like step to step. Because it's really just, it depends on your own nose. Like, you can't copy it. Copy it and expect it to look good, you know? Blush time. Who the fuck ate my blush also? Oh, I found it. This is my blush. Flower Nose, Little Cranberry. Okay. I put this on like the tip of my nose. I prefer it to be like under it kind of, but like also just on the very tip of it. And then I just put the blush here, following my cream blush placement. Do my eyebrows now. Grab a skinny brush and then this is the only palette I use. I don't know which one I use these days now that I have lighter hair. I don't know, just those two, or fucking whatever. Just follow my insanely skinny eyebrows. Blend it out. Then my brow gel is this I got from my Pookie. I just use this to kind of make sure everything continues. I don't fucking know. I don't know what I'm doing. Taking a used Q-tip. That's not necessary. Please don't do that. I can't find anything these days. Oh, I found my puff. I take this. I just kind of match my lip shade. This is how I make my lips look bigger. Instead of using lip liner, I just use blush because it like it's more blended out. It's less obvious, I guess. I'm putting it up on both of my, not in a curve like on the cupid's bow, but like actually following my lip shape. I think it looks a bit dumb when I do it down here, because then it kind of just like looks like messy. So I only like to really keep it up here. I don't have enough blush on my nose. The base of my eyeshadow is always the same kind of. I take my brow brush and I take the dark brown and I make like a downturned line that just follows like the curve of my eye but like brings it down. Then here under my eye, I start from around the middle of my eye, I would say, right there, and I make like a curve and connect it to the eyeliner like that. I fill it in, and up here I just that's the placement of my eye. Is it even? Wait, it's not. And I take a brush like this, like a kind of like a flat one, like curved this side. I add an Eyeshadow. Hope I pronounced that right. It's time to settle this. Let's look up pronunciation. Bava mato. Bava mato. Oh my fucking gosh, you fucking dead. Who the fuck is Julian Michael? Why am I on his account? Oh, he's the he's the guy who's gonna help me. Whatever, I'm too lazy. Whatever the pronunciation is, I will figure it out one day. Kind of blend it into the darker eyeshadow that I did down here. Oh, sorry. And the placement, I have this eye fat here. That's what it is. This is the placement, just copy that. And next up, I might blend it a little though. I'm gonna take the same brown and blend my eyeliner kind of up here. When I was younger, doing my eyeshadow was the worst part. It was so scary. I was so worried I wouldn't be able to blend it out and that it was just gonna look like shit. But it's really not that serious. It's not that difficult to blend out. Just grab like a lighter shade and start going ham on it. I have heavy eyebrows. Look at this shit. It brings everything down. I'll take this yellow and this white that I'm running out of. Pop it on there. Oh, wait. Setting spray so that it sticks better. Ooh. Tenty. Oh, I put it under. I keep forgetting that I need to, like, keep talking. I just keep doing my thing, and then I'm like, oh shit, I forgot. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I use the NYX Epic Wear. I used to use the Epic ink liners, the marker ones. But the, like, bristles would always get all fucked up. So. These are really good. They stay all day. Why am I dick riding? I'm sorry. I don't know how to describe this. I go in and just follow my lash line. And then I follow the like top part of this eyeliner that I did. Like that kind of, that's where I'm gonna fill it in. And then I'm gonna do the bottom part in brown eyeliner. Are you kidding? I take concealer, I plop it on there, and I take a Q-tip and I roll it off. Throw some more glitter on there that I just removed on accident. Oh shit. Oh, I just got a little dot. You can't even see that. Yes, you can. Same eyeliner in brown. I'm gonna fill the bottom part in now. This is how we're looking. I draw little fake eyelashes here. Cute. I take a fatter angled, I guess, eyebrow brush, and then I kind of smudge my eyeliner. This just helps fix any unevenness and ugliness and whatever. Why am I so shocked? Okay, why am I the Grinch? I fix any eyeshadow fallout with more powder. I'm so hungry I could eat Julian Michael. Who the fuck is Julian Michael? Eye pencil. This is easier to put on before mascara, I feel like, because then my lashes actually move. To the root, hold it instead of like wiggling it around. Release, move it a bit. Shit. Move it a bit towards the ends of your lashes. Hold it. And I just repeat that a few times to like really get in there. Mascara. I like to move my lashes first like to the outer corner to really coat them, and then I move them back into place, and I change the brush angle so I can place them how I want. I forgot, I need to do my inner corner eyeliner. I follow my eye shape. Take it like down like that, and then just connect it. Like that. They're not even either. Justin Bieber. My gorgeous eye glitter. LA Girl. Dream Glitter. What shade is this? Sugar High. I put it under my inner corner eyeliner. I kind of like to blend it a little bit. Only on the edges though. And then above it. I also like to take it up here, following the curvature of my eyeball. Bottom lash mascara. I do the same method to the outer. Whatever, I give up. Lipstick absolutely depends on the day. I switch that up all the time. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Androgyny. I bought this many years ago. Sometimes I feel like my lip shape is a bit strange. So I go in and I just do that. Put some Essence lip tint on there. I can put my septum back in. For my lashes, I have these little clumps of old eyelashes that I've cut, and I just glue those all around. I like the look of like lash extensions that are falling out. I think that looks so cute. Final steps. Highlighter. That's all. I want to put a gem here. I just plop some lash glue on there. Then a silly little gem. No. This is not done. This is not done yet. Let me throw some more eyeshadow on or something. I'm gonna add it here. To really fill this lash line in because it kind of looks bald. I'm also gonna plop some black under here just to kind of blend out like the brown eyeliner.